Ko Jackie King, taku ingoa. It's my honour to represent you as the chair of your board for Te Kāhui o Taranaki Iwi. It's been a really busy period, and certainly our team have done some amazing things for our whānau, but to our strategic whenua, those key priorities our people saw for themselves, and yep, Taranakitanga, or connection and identity, and their ability to know who they were, their identity was crucial. But what do you do with it thereafter? The other key things that they set down for us were in the areas of building their capacity and capability, also reconnecting them to their marae pā, to their taiao, and then also making sure that we had the systems in place to support them to do that. So all of the whenua represent a number of those things, and thankfully once you are connected you can start understanding what's available to you to access.
In terms of connecting with Taranakitanga, I think the work that the Iwi's been doing with engagement with Raymond and Ange and the team, with regular regional zui, has been really helpful. Just seeing the faces and hearing what people are doing and sharing has been really, really valuable for me.
I think so many young people, they don't know where they belong to, they don't know who they connect to, they don't know where they come from, and it's something we can easily forget about in our day-to-day lives. And so I think that finding your whakapapa, finding your people is such a huge part of our journey in our lives, and that we need to do this because it goes towards our well-being, all parts and all aspects of our lives, spiritual, mental, emotional. It fulfills every aspect.